Ladies and gentlemen, American Jury and Bulldog Nation, if you were wondering and you haven't had this explained to you, I would like to explain to you the law relating to the shooting in Minneapolis where the ICE officer shot Miss Good, who was driving towards him in a vehicle. The standard, and this is the standard, is a police officer, if they believe, and it's a subjective view. It's not an objective, it is subjective. If that police officer thought that his life was in danger, someone else's life was in danger, or from bodily harm, they're allowed to use deadly force. They're trained to use deadly force. And she hit him with the vehicle. He shot her, killed her. Even if, and just so you all know, even if you're someone who thinks he didn't have to shoot her, that he could have just jumped out of the way and let her go, it doesn't matter. Purely from a legal standpoint, he had the right to shoot that woman under those facts and circumstances. It's that simple. I also want to just say something that I think is kind of funny here, even though it does involve a death. It's funny as it relates to the politics of it. Minnesota, state of Minnesota, police officers don't want to help ICE. Minneapolis police told them not to help ICE. ICE officer kills somebody. State of Minnesota, Minneapolis wants to be involved in the investigation. Nope. Just so you know, it's a federal agent carrying out federal business. They have no right to be involved in the investigation of it. They can try to charge him, but they would lose. But to hear them whine about it, Tim Waltz and company, is kind of funny. Don't want to help them, but they want to get involved when something bad happens. It's just another example where it's insanity. Any normal person would say, obey police commands. Any normal person would say, don't drive your vehicle around. And we now know that she was a trainee. She trained people to do this stuff. She was an ICE watcher. ICE watcher. She put herself in a terrible position. Led to her death. It's her own fault. This is the Bulldog. Every dog has their day. Have a great day.